Alkalized water help to boost your metabolism. It helps to reduces acid in your bloodstream and it helps to absorb nutrients more quickly. Find out the pH level of your water. You should check your water's pH level. Find out whether it is acidic or alkaline. Water is a naturally a 7 on the pH scale. But impurities in the water tend to tip the scale towards the acidic side. The ideal pH level for pure drinking water is 6.5 to 8.5. 4 easy methods to prepare alkaline water at home. First method, use lemons. Lemons are anionic, so when you drink lemon water, fill one pitcher with clean water, preferably use filtered water. Cut one lemon into thin pieces, add the lemons to the water but do not squeeze them. Simply place them in the water. Cover the water and let it sit overnight for 8 to 12 hours at room temperature. You can add 1 tablespoon of sea salt to your lemon water if desired. Adding the salt mineralizes your alkaline water. Second method, use baking soda. With pH level of 9, baking soda is the one of the most popular and easiest ways to alkalize your drinking water. Mix 1/8 of tablespoon of baking soda into 8 fluid ounces of purified water. Shake the mixture so the baking soda dissolves completely before you drink it. Third method, drinking water stored in a copper vessel. Water stored in a copper vessel is believed to help balance the three doshas in your body: Vata, Kapha and Pitta. Water stored in a copper vessel will also become natural alkaline water. Studies have shown that copper is antibacterial, supports good health, prevents aging, supports healthy skin. It helps to maintain cardiovascular health, supports the thyroid, and also stimulates the brain. Fourth method, add pH drops. pH drops contain potent alkaline minerals and are highly concentrated. You only need to add a couple of drops to each glass of water to increase its pH level. The liquid usually comes in small handy bottles so you can carry them everywhere with you.